Hey guys, Henry here, and today I want to share with you something called the Neti Pot. This right here is a Neti Pot. It's a white ceramic teapot basically, and what you're going to do is you're going to put a little lukewarm water in it and mix it around with some non-iodinized salt, and you're going to pour it through your nostrils, and that'll help rinse your nose out so that you can clear your sinuses, and it'll get a lot of the allergens and pollutants out of your nose. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you here. First thing you're going to do is you're going to get a little bit of lukewarm water, not too hot or too cold, just somewhere in the middle. Once you fill it up, you're going to get a little bit of salt in there. And you can stir it around with your finger. And once you got the right temperature and you've stirred it around, you're going to strike a pose here. So you're going to pour it. You're going to start off and pour half through your right nostril, and then you're going to switch sides and pour through your left nostril. So I'll demonstrate it for you here. So you just want to give your nostrils a little blow. So that's the first side. And that's the second side. Last thing you want to do is just rinse out your bowl so it's nice and clear for the next use. And that's about it, guys. That's how to use a Neti Pot.